Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. This is 12th standard state board complex number exercise 2.8. See, if omega not equal to 1 is the cube root of unity. What is the meaning for that? See here, omega cube equal to 1. Okay, omega cube value is equal to 1, omega not equal to 1. Okay, show that the roots of the equation are z minus 1 the whole cube plus 8 equal to 0 are minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. We have to prove. See, what is the value for that 1? You know very well, 1 plus omega square equal to 0. By replace this 1, we can write 1 comma omega square. 1 equal to 1 comma omega square. It's a complex root of omega. Okay, see here, z minus 1 the whole cube. Z minus 1 the whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. Z minus 1 the whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. Z minus 1 the whole cube equal to minus 8. See, I will change this one. See here, minus of 1 minus z. Minus of 1 minus z the whole cube. I will take it as minus sign out. It gives it equal to minus 8. So, minus the whole cube, what is the answer you are getting? Minus 1 the whole cube into. Minus 1 the whole cube into 1 minus z the whole cube equal to. 1 minus z the whole cube equal to minus 8. What is the value of minus 1 the whole cube? Minus of 1 minus z the whole cube. 1 minus z the whole cube equal to minus 8. Minus get cancelled. What is the result here? See, 1 minus z the whole cube equal to 8. 8 I will write it as what? 8 into 1. See here, 1 minus z the whole cube equal to 8 into 1. 8 ones are 8. 1 minus z the whole cube equal to 8 become 2 cube. 2 cube into 1. But I want the value of 1 minus z alone. So, taking 1 by 3, taking root of both the sides. So, what is the answer you are getting? 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3. 3 get cancel. So, what is the final thing? 1 minus z equal to 2 into 1 cube. I replace that 1 value by 1 cube, that is cube root of unity. I replace that cube root of unity, 1 cube. Cube root of unity equal to what? 2 into 1 comma omega square. 1 comma omega square. See, 1 minus z into 2 into 1 power cube. That 1 cube you can replace by, see here, 1 minus z into 2, that 1 cube I can replace by 1 comma omega square. See, 1 minus z equal to 2 into 1. First value I can take 2 into 1. 1 minus z equal to 2. What is the value of z here? See, minus z equal to. See, minus z equal to 2 minus 1. Minus z equal to 1. Z equal to minus 1. So, we verified the first one, z equal to minus 1. You can take it as the next one. What is the next one? Omega. 1 minus z equal to 2 omega. You can take it as 1 minus z equal to 2 omega. Minus z equal to 2 omega minus 1. 2 omega minus 1. Z equal to, you change the sign. 1 minus 2 omega. Next one. What is the next one? 1 minus z equal to 2 omega square. 1 minus z equal to 2 omega square. So minus z equal to 2 omega square minus 1. 2 omega square minus 1. Z equal to, you change the sign. Change the sign. 1 minus 2 omega square. Hence we verified minus 1, 1 minus omega and 1 minus omega square. See here, 7th sum, exercise 2.8. Find the value of sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9. First we will know that nth root of unity. What is that nth root of unity? The nth root of unity. The nth roots of unity. What is that value? The nth root of unity is z power n equal to 1. Nth root of unity is z power n equal to 1. Sigma. Sigma means the sum of all. The sum. Sigma means sum. Sum of all. Sum of all. Nth roots of. Sum of all. Nth roots of. Sum of all nth roots of unity is. Sum of all nth root of unity is. You will write 1 plus omega square plus etc. up to omega power n minus 1. Omega power n minus 1 equal to 0. So I will take it as z power n equal to 1. See here, z power n equal to 1. What is z power n equal to 1? Z power n equal to 1 means we will write cos 0 plus I sin 0. I already discussed in the 5th sum itself. See, 1 equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Okay. Z power n is equal to. Z power n equal to, you can add 2k pi here itself. Cos of 2k pi plus 0 plus I sin of 2k pi plus 0. I sin of 2k pi plus 0. So what is the value of z power n? Equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. Cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. I want the value of z alone. Z power n whole power 1 by n equal to cos of 2k pi plus I sin of 2k pi whole power 1 by n. I sin of 2k pi whole power 1 by n. Because it will rise both the side. N get cancel. What is the value of z? Z equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole power 1 by n. 2k pi whole power 1 by n. I bring it 1 by n inside. What is the value I am getting? Z equal to cos of 2k pi by n plus I sin of 2k pi by n. N can takes the value. So the k can takes the value. K can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n minus 1. See here, z equal to cos of 2k pi by n plus I sin of 2k pi by n. K can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n minus 1. See what is the value of here in the denominator. Denominator value is 9. So you can take it as n equal to 9. If n equal to 9, you can take it as n equal to 9. Z equal to cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sin of 2k pi by 9 K can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n minus 1. K can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n minus 1. 9 minus 1, the value is equal to 8. 0, 1, 2, 8. Sum of all. See, you will write it now. Sum of all ninth root of. Eighth root means ninth roots of. Sum of all ninth roots of unity. Sum of all ninth roots of unity means you will write sigma k equal to 0 to 8. Sigma k equal to 0 to 8 cos of 2k pi. Cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sin of 2k pi by 9. Now you can substitute the k value is 0, 1, 2, etc. See here, sigma, first you can substitute k equal to 0. K equal to 0, what is the value you are getting? Cos of 2 into 0 pi by 9. 2 into 0 pi by 9 plus I sin of 2 into 0 pi by 9. What is the next value for k? Yeah, is it 1? So you will write like this, sigma k equal to 1 to 8 because I substituted 0. What is the next value? Next value is 1. So I will write like this, sigma 1 to 8 cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sin of 2k pi by 9. See here, what is the value of cos 0? What is the value of cos 0 plus I sin 0? 0 into any number? 0. So cos 0 plus I sin 0 plus sigma k equal to 1 to 8. Sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sin of 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. Sin of 2k cube root of unity is equal to 0. I sin of 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. Okay. Sum of all ninth root of unity is equal to 0. We already seen previously. 1 plus omega square plus etc. omega power n minus 1 equal to 0. So sigma k equal to 0 to 8. Sum of all ninth root of unity. Sigma k equal to 0 to 8 cos of 2k pi plus I sin of 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. So you substitute 0 value alone because the sum started from k equal to 1. So I substituted the value 0. Cos of 2 0 into pi by 9 plus I sin of 2 into 0 pi by 9 plus what is the next value? After that 0, what is the next value? 1. So sigma k equal to 1 to 8. 1 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. 0 into any number? 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0 plus sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sin of 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. What is the value of cos 0? 1. Sin 0 value is 0. 1 plus, because sin 0 value is 0 plus sigma k equal to 1 to 8. Sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sin of 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. You bring 1 to the next side. What is the value we are getting now? You bring 1 to the next side. What is the value we are getting now? See, 1 plus sigma k equal to 1 to 8. 1 plus sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sine of 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. You can bring that 1 to the next side. What is the value? Sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos of 2k pi by 9 plus I sine of 2k pi by 9 equal to minus 1. Hence the proof. See, eighth sum. If omega not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, show that 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6 equal to 128. Then second proof is 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega power 4 is nothing but what? Omega square the whole square. It's a power. Omega power 8 is nothing but what? Omega power 2 cube. Omega power 2 square. Omega power 2 square is 4. Omega power 2 cube is 8. It's up to omega power 2 power 11. First we will discuss about the first subdivision. Then we move on to the second subdivision. See here, generally what is the formula for cube root of unity? 1 plus omega square equal to 0. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Then omega cube equal to 1. Omega cube equal to 1. You can take down the first subdivision. First subdivision, 1 minus omega. You can take it as a LHS. What is my LHS here? 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6. 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6. See here, 1 plus omega square equal to 0. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Suppose 1 plus omega square equal to, see, 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega. 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega. See here, 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. So, you can substitute the value here. See, you can substitute the value here, LHS equal to 1. You can write in such a way, 1 plus omega square minus omega whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6. You can substitute 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega. 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega whole power minus omega whole power 6, because 1 plus omega square value is minus omega whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square whole power 6. So what is the result here? See, minus 2 omega whole power 6 plus minus 2 omega square whole power 6 minus 2 omega square whole power 6. See here, what is the value? Minus 2 power 6 omega power 6 plus minus 2 power 6 omega power 12. 6 2s are 12. Minus 2 power 6, you can take it as commonly out. See, minus 2 power 6 omega power 6. Omega power 6 we can write omega cube into omega cube. So if it is a multiples of 3, it is nothing but omega cube value is equal to 1 plus minus 2 power 6 into omega power 12. This is also multiples of 3. So you will write omega cube whole power 4. 4 3s are 12. See here, otherwise you will write like this, omega cube the whole square. 3 2s are 6. See here, minus 2 power 6. Minus become plus because it is a even number power. So minus become plus 2 power 6 into, you can take it as commonly out, 2 power 6. Omega cube value is 1 plus that omega cube value is 1. So it gives the answer 2 power 6 into 2. What is the value of 2 power 6? 64. 2 2s are 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. 64 into 2, it gives the value 128. See here, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega power 4. That omega power 4 I will write as 2 square. Omega power 2 square. Omega cube I will write as 2 cube. 2 cube. Like this. Omega power 2 power 11. Omega power 2 power 11 equal to 1 we have to prove. See here, we will write 1 plus omega. You will write up to 2 power 11 values. 1 plus omega square. Okay. 1 plus omega power 4. Next 1 plus omega power 8. 1 plus omega power 8. I can take it as the LHS. I will write the LHS value. 1 plus omega power 8. What is the next one? 2 cube. What is the next one? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 1 plus omega power 16. Next 2 power 5. 1 plus omega power 32. Next 1 plus omega power 64. What is the next one? 1 plus omega power 128. 1 plus omega power 128. Next 1 plus omega power 256. 1 plus omega power 256. Next, what is the next one? 1 plus omega power 512. Next is 1 plus omega power 512. Next 1 plus omega power 2 power 10. 2 power 10 value is what? 1024. 2 power 10 value is 1024. Next 2 power 11 omega power. 2 power 11 value is 2048. I will write all the values up to 2 power 11. See here. See here. I will write, see, 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square. That omega power 4 I will write it as 1 plus omega cube into omega. Omega power 4 I will write it as omega cube into omega. Here 1 plus omega power 6 into omega square. Omega power 6 into omega square, I told you before itself, multiples of 3 value is 1. Omega value is 1. See here. 1 plus omega power 16. Omega power 16 I will write as what? Omega power 15 into omega. Omega power 15 into omega. Here 1 plus omega power 32. 32 means omega power 30 into omega square, etc. It goes on like this, etc. See here, see, 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega square. Okay. Omega cube value is 1. So again you will get 1 plus omega. Omega power 6 value is also 1. Again you get omega 1 plus omega square. Omega power 15, it is also multiples of 3. You are getting the value 1. 1 plus omega. Omega power 30 also multiples of 3. So 1 plus omega square. How many pairs are there? See, 1 pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, So you are getting total 6 pair, etc. 6 terms are there, etc. 6 terms, etc. You are getting 6 terms. See, 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega square, etc. up to 6 terms. So you will write, see here, you will write 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square the whole power 6, because it's a 6 terms, power 6. See here, what is 1 plus omega? Minus omega square. 1 plus omega is nothing but what? Minus omega square. I told you in the previous sum itself, 1 plus omega square equal to 0. 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega. So minus omega square whole power, you bring it 6 inside into 6. 1 plus omega square is minus omega whole power 6. What is the answer you are getting here? See here, omega power 12. Omega power 12, because it is power 6. Negative means it become positive. So omega power 12 into omega power 6. It gives omega power 18. It is also multiples of 3. So the value is equal to 1. It is nothing but a RHS. Hence the proof.